of work na ikabite. And the race is on. Jumping Jonah from the outside is forever, my love, recent sun. Down on the inside is Bondi, babe, sit Carla. Moving up is Youngsta, Gangsta, and Happy Land is running at the tail of the field. Jumping Jonah by some 4 lengths, followed by Forever, my love. Youngsta Gangsta is racing in third by another 4 lengths. Bondi, Babe, Danori inside, Sweet Carla, Recent Sunny, Happy Land. Another far turn, Jumping Jonah by some 2 lengths and getting closer now is Forever, my love. And here comes the couple runner, Youngsta Gangsta, as they race the last 500. Jumping Jonah by a length and up. Forever, my love, is on the outside as they race the last 200. Now we've got Forever, my love, this time by about 4 lengths. Jumping Jonah is on the outside. Youngsta Gangsta, Recent Sun, and nearing the finish line, the Icebreaker 3A. Forever, my love, Recent Sun, Jumping Jonah, Sweet Carla, Youngsta Gangsta, Bondi, Babe, and Happy Land.